In this video we will learn how to draw and edit columns in Slabs. We can select the shape of our column to be either orthogonal or circular, or even to create a random shape through a polyline. We can also select the color to be used in the 3D and 2D drawings, as well as the material of the column and other properties. To place a column, first we define a position point, and just after the direction, we can make easily any modification or other operations, such as to copy the column into another position. The columns can be modified either by clicking on them to intervene in their dialog box, or through the property panel, or by dragging the grips with the mouse. We can also make a random polyline shape and create a wall out of this polyline. We inactivate the orthogonal and circular checkboxes in the dialog to choose the polyline instead. Then we select the polyline and we enter the insertion point and the desired angle of the column position. We can insert a slab by defining its edge points or through a polyline. For now, let's give the edge points of the slab's outline. We can see the boundaries of the slab and validate it by pressing Enter. Then we insert the elevation and the thickness of the slab. We can also create holes. We draw a polyline for the hole shape, and then we double-click on the slab to see the dialog box and select the polyline. We can easily stretch the slab by dragging the grips